What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. Thank y'all very much for tuning in. What's up, Mr. KC? How you doing tonight, man? Got Caesar C in the house. Dwac, FOMO, 100% doggy. Yeah, I'm thinking about FOMOing into Dwac tomorrow, guys. So I'll keep everybody posted. What a day for it. What a freaking day for digital world stock. Let's see where we ended up at. Man, up 356% in the regular market hours, and aftermarket up 44%. So did see a pullback. Looks like it hit a high of, it went more than that. Why is this not showing after hours? Chart settings. Show extended hours. There we go. Hit a high of $74.40. So really booming today, guys. Not much TA we can do on this thing right here. Not much TA you can do on this other than you have pretty strong support around 52. From whatever we can gather from this massive run up we saw today. You could maybe argue you have some support around 58 to 60 bucks, but having a pretty big red candle here in the aftermarket. So I'm going to wake up pre-market, guys. I'm going to try to set up the live stream. I know I was supposed to live stream today, but I took the day off and just kind of recharged the batteries and everything. So let's see what's going on. What's up, Mr. Rick? What's up, Daniel S? Eagle 3. I may toss a few bucks on Dwac in the morning just to see what it would do. That's what I'm thinking, KC. I'm going to watch a pre-market and then make a decision from there. I think Dwac caught everybody off guard. Most definitely, man. I didn't expect it to do what it did, but man, I mean, look at it. And a lot of these big time runners like this, up 400% on the day, they'll continue running. So maybe you might be able to, maybe wait till market open, maybe see a dip, possibly get an opportunity right there. Maybe first thing pre-market, it dips to touch this 14 exponential, which is sitting at $52.40. Or maybe you go back to the 50 if you do see a big dip, which is sitting at 23. Just be careful if you're holding this. If you were buying back here in the low areas, anywhere between 15 and 25, you see absolutely beautiful. To me, if I'd have been buying in that early, I would be looking to secure some profits, but who knows, this thing could rip, maybe get another 100% out of it tomorrow, which would put it somewhere around 150 bucks on Dwac for you to get a 100% gain out of it. So well, as we sit right here, 65, so 130 bucks for you to get 100% from where we're currently sitting right here. So just be careful with this. If you are looking to get in, I am, and I will be streaming it. So if you guys have any questions, I can also set the alerts in the Discord for Dwac for tomorrow, my friends. What's up, Andre P? Ben Cadillac, what's happening, man? Can't chill, but you came to hit the like button. Hey, thanks, man. Really appreciate it, my man. What's up, Pearl? How you doing tonight? Good to see you in the chat, Psycho Pearl. Streamlabs is acting up on me again. Wonder why. Don't know. So, did anybody in here FOMO into Dwac today? Y'all let me know. That 9-cent vet is sitting well right now. Yeah, man, I like it. I like it, dude. I'm feeling pretty bullish on the old chain, man. I really am. Where's this article at? Give me 1 second. So, Bitcoin on a day down, up 1.14%. It was down a good little bit, a couple percentage as of earlier. Ethereum almost hit an all-time high today, guys, before it came back down. Let's check that out. Ethereum hit that high of 4,377. The all-time high on Ethereum back in May, I believe, was 4,385 bucks. So almost the top right there. It is getting close, guys. It will be coming. I can't wait for it. We are seeing a decently healthy pullback in the just things. This is the 30-minute chart. Look at that 1 hour chart. So it's not looking too bad right here. We are getting, we've been riding at 14 for a while, dipped underneath it, but we're popping back above it. So hopefully tomorrow ends up being a pretty good day. I expect at least a you know, upwards of a 3 to 5% spike tomorrow, and then maybe come back down. We'll see what happens depending on the volume. The MACD's due for a flip down here, so we might get a flip pretty soon, start getting some more action, start climbing back up, possibly breaking that all-time high. So that'd be very cool to see if we can actually get there on Ethereum, because we saw what happened with Bitcoin after we broke that 64,800, whatever it was. We shot up really quick to 67. So that's a technical breakout level, 4385 on Ethereum. You could make some pretty good tendies. I mean, even today you could have bought Ethereum at 4,050 bucks, and you know, pretty good opportunity right there. But we got some news coming out with Walmart on Bitcoin. Basically, Walmart Incorporated said Thursday customers at some of its U.S. stores will be able to purchase Bitcoin using ATM-like machines installed by Coinstar. Coinstar, known for its machines that can exchange physical coins for cash, has partnered with digital currency exchange CoinMe to let customers buy Bitcoin at its kiosk. There are 200 Coinstar kiosks located inside Walmart stores across the United States. I think my local hometown Walmart actually is one of those 200 stores that allows customers, that will allow customers to buy Bitcoin, a Walmart spokesman said. So Walmart was subject to the cryptocurrency hoax in September when a fake press release was published to announce a partnership between the world's largest retailer and Litecoin. The news briefly sent prices of the little-known cryptocurrency. I don't agree with little known. Litecoin's pretty well known, surging. So that's pretty good stuff to see, man. I don't know if it has any direct links to what might happen in the future with it, but very cool to see. Let's see what's happening in the chat real quick before we bust out the next article. Man, I'm pissed off today, BITF, that POS. What's up, Clown Baby? Yeah, let's check it out, man. What BITF did today to you, man. The whole market kind of took a dump, man. We saw AMC drop from 41 to 38.50. Let me put that ticker quote up here. No, that's not it. I wish that was it. I did the same thing last night, dude. Bitfarm stock, let's see, down 5%. It's about 7% on the day, man. I feel you, man. Did that actually put you in the red or what, man? Let me know. Sold my Tesla shares for BITF a few on yeah, I hear you, dude. Sorry to hear that, man. Bitcoin, you know, is looking for a correction right here, so we'll start heading back up. Just bum is in the house, people. What's happening? Just bum. What's happening? All right, let's see what this is. Yeah, Walmart has like 200 Coinstar machines that allow for the Bitcoin purchase. I got a bunch of coins, man. I'm gonna go check it out and see what I might go try to cash in some coins tomorrow and see if it'll let me buy Bitcoin, and I'll report back to y'all tomorrow night. We can see what's happening with that. Hefty fees though. Yeah, Coinstar is pretty hefty on them. What's up, One Shot GT? What's up, man? Matt, look at ILV coin and tell me what you think. Is that okay, I'll check it out here in a second. As soon as I thank my man One Shot GT for showing up and dropping that $10 make you holla super chat. Thank you, man. Appreciate you showing some love. Let me check it out. ILV crypto. Is that 795 bucks? Whoa, what? Never seen this before, man. Is that the one you're referring to, Daniel? The one that's sitting at 700 bucks? It's really got a great chart, man. You might have been in on a pretty decent dip buy right here around 780. You might be able to bust some new highs right here at above 800. That's a little rich for my taste, but if you playing it, man, good stuff. Good stuff. One Shot GT coming in hot once again, my dude. Dropping that love tonight, man. Thank you for that $10. Make you holla for the $10 super chat. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, my brother. Yes, I'm red again. Like, I got you, man. Clown Baby May. I don't know, man. Maybe once you turn green, maybe look for a different investment, man. I mean, Bitfarms will probably head up once it does its thing, but man, you just sitting there going in the red, going in the green. Might be able to find you some different plays to make you some more attendees, man. Meanwhile, Tesla is 900. I should have just held. Yeah. You know, when I first started trading, man, I would do that a lot. I would hop out of one thing, FOMO into something else, and then that thing I hopped out of started ripping and running, and you know, don't knock yourself too hard, man. What you did in the moment, you know, you'll learn from it, man. I like Bitfarms, I really do. I think it's a great long-term investment, especially what we think Bitcoin's going to do this year. So, I mean, if you can afford to hold it, I would sit on it, but I wouldn't go red again. Just me personally. What's up, Matt? I can't hear you. Oh, okay, cool. Appreciate it, Crypto Profit. Andre P says I still roll my change by hand. Hell yeah, man. Get them Coinstar fees. We don't want none of that. Can't be having them fees, man. So Daniel, how much ILV do you actually have, man? That's a pretty expensive crypto, man. That thing is 793 bucks right now. That's crazy. And I've never even heard of it, dude. Not even gonna lie to you, I've never heard of this. Let's see. One shot. Successfully redeemed Bitcoin for 10 Matt's market coins. So I know today wasn't exciting for Bitcoin. We did hit 66 and then kind of just fell off. You know, we're not really making those new tops right now, but you know, I expected, we talked about it last night, could possibly pull back to 63, and it hit 62. Let me see this, 62,034. So we did get quite a bit of pullback on Bitcoin, but look at this 1 minute. This 1 minute looks pretty dang decent for the 1 minute chart on Bitcoin. So might be getting some pumping tomorrow. I want to check out HUT 8 mining for BITF, Clown Baby. You just fell below that level of resistance, and you can see I could probably move it down just a little bit. Let me go ahead and do that because it wasn't quite. It ain't gonna let me move it down, but we were close on that level of support we had. Boom, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, finally broke underneath, so it popped back above 545, kind of what you're looking for. Oh yeah, 540 right now. So a bump back above 545 will put you back in this channel right here, which could possibly lead to maybe a little ascending level to consolidation. Kind of what I'm thinking if we have a good day on Bitcoin tomorrow. So we'll have to see. I want to check out HUT 8 mining, see what HUT 8 did today. Let's check it out. HUT 8. Yeah, it was 13 bucks now, sitting at 1148. So all the crypto mining stocks pretty much taking that dip. 1319 on HUT. That's going to be the major level for us to get back, but we also have to get over this hump right here once Bitcoin starts rocking again. So you might see a little mini cup and handle maybe form if Bitcoin continues to rock into the weekend. You'll be able to tell tomorrow. You know, you're getting close to that level of support right here. Pretty much looking the same on HUT. 1 2 3 4, but we hop right back above it. So still sitting tight on HUT. Just depending on what Bitcoin does tomorrow will be a tall tale sign on what we see in the markets for tomorrow. AMC, man, really taking a hit. We talked about it. What was it, last week when it was 38.39, talking about buying, and it ran up and then hit 41 bucks. Now we saw a pretty good pullback, but let me show you that chart that we pulled on the 4 hour and show you why it's respecting this. We drew this a long time ago. Kind of tell you, looking for a break to the upside or downside out these ascending level of support, the ascending triangle we have right here, which is that level of resistance and ascending level of support, and then that descending level of up here leading to this level of support. So we're waiting on a break to either side. That's probably going to start a new trend on AMC. So I'm expecting a bounce at some point. You could possibly ride it back to 42 bucks. Will the bounce be tomorrow? I don't know, but a break below this level of support would be pretty bearish for AMC in the short term. But I think most part you probably had some people FOMOing into Dwac. If I had to guess today, people pulling lots of money out the market to FOMO into Dwac, which you can tell it's up 400% on the day. So just be careful if you're buying into Dwac. It is very volatile. If that thing goes to the red side, gets a lot of selling pressure tomorrow, I believe it could trigger a lot of halts on the way down, and you could get stuck with it. So just be extremely careful with it. Bitcoin drops 2%, then they drop 7%. Well, they did have a thing on Binance US where it was briefly available for $8,000 today. ADA was available for 106. If you'd have been one of the lucky ones to catch that, awesome for you. But I don't personally know anybody that caught that. But basically, they didn't have the liquidity to hold up the market. So basically, they're supposed to go in and buy Bitcoin at certain amounts at market value to help with the buying and selling. So if you have an influx of sellers and not enough buyers, and you don't have the liquidity to back it, the price can drop as low as $8,000, which it did today. It dropped 80% of its value and creeped right back up. So I don't know if I saw some reports that people did buy. I don't know anybody personally. I don't know. I didn't hear any reports, but if you were able to grab that dip, you did pretty good today. Who knows? Maybe it'd be set you up a US Binance and try to buy some ADA for set your buy limit for 106 and see if it triggers one day. You never know. BT is another garbage stock I own. It'll be all right, baby. You'll get back in the green, man. I want to see what XRP did today. I was curious about XRP. 110 right now. So pretty much, I might set up some buy and sell signals because XRP usually you can buy between 108, sell at 115 all freaking day. As of right now, it is down 3.4%. How about Solana? Solana is ripping, guys. We're telling you at 167 to buy it. It dipped to 140. I was feeling pretty bad about, telling people, hey, it's pretty good buy at 167, but it bounced all the way to 140 and it's right back to 200, guys. It is rocking. Solana, a lot of people like to compare it to the Ethereum killer, but Solana might hit an all-time high as soon as tomorrow, guys. 215, it might hit it tonight. Who knows? That thing rocked from 197 before I hopped on to 201 right here. And you can see this 4-hour chart looking absolutely beautiful. This is the 5-minute chart, getting some real good volume stepping in right now. Probably backed by the NFT network plays. People love Solana for NFTs, man. It's really cheap and people just really enjoy using the platform, man. What's up, Crypto Critter? How you doing, my man? I got like 3,000 games to play on the stream. I haven't been on YouTube. Oh, I got you, man. It's good to see you, though, man. Pulled my AMC at 41. Figured it was going to drop. KC, you did a pretty good trade right there, my dude. Pretty good trade. Thursday and Friday seem to drop on AMC. Well, that coincides with like options, man. So you have a lot of options play. The market makers want it as cheap as hell, so they'll go the extra mile to make sure a lot of options expire in the money. So guys, I'll probably be FOMOing into Dwac tomorrow. I'll keep everybody updated, let you know what's happening. I was supposed to stream today. I ain't gonna lie, man. I slept and just chilled. Did some housework and stuff like that. Had a lot going on. So tomorrow I'm gonna drop the kids at school in the morning and look to be off on the stream because I want to play some Dwac tomorrow and hopefully make some profits off of it. Usually them runners that run 300-400%, you could usually get another 100% out of it. And for us to get that, it'd have to be sitting at 130. A lot of big YouTubers out there saying it could possibly go to 500. Who knows, man? I'm not gonna be that bullish on it. I think I might be able to buy a dip maybe tomorrow and maybe get 100% out of it. Options are not available, being that the stock just got released. So we still got another, 3 weeks before you can potentially buy options. So here we go. Bitcoin getting a nice little pump right here. Nice little candle right here. Let's see what happens. if I had bought Dwac this morning, it would be $7. Yes, if you'd have put $1,000 in Dwac at $7, you'd be sitting up probably somewhere around 50, 60K. Just imagine that. Always trade the 1 hour, 4 hour charts on the daily chart on crypto. In just my opinion, yeah, that's when I look for my entry points. One shot GT. That is 100% true. So you can see right here on the 4 hour chart right here, you are seeing a bit of a pullback and you're starting to get a bounce. So you're bouncing off this 50 exponential. It would have been more bearish if you dropped underneath it, but then you had that support at 60K. We did not see that. We actually came off that 50 exponential, possibly looking to go break this all-time high, which was $67,019. So looking very, very bullish for it. Solana might be the first one out of Ethereum, out the two to between them and Ethereum to break the all-time high. It could possibly happen today. Ethereum's absolutely ripping up 9% today, while Ethereum's sitting up 2%. So definitely big on Solana, guys. We were telling everybody at $60 to hop in on this thing. Hopefully y'all listened. If you did, congratulations. Even if you hopped in at 167 last week when we talked about it, you're still sitting beautiful, my friend. But as of right now, I would not be purchasing Solana. I'd be watching it, having your profits, you know, secure right here, maybe with a little stop loss, somewhere around. I would say, depending on where you got in, like me, I got in early. My stop loss will be 190, somewhere within these tops. So that way, if you do see some pullback, you know, you're protected right here. If you drop any further than that, you might be looking at a good dip buy opportunity, but you don't want to set it at the tip top right here, because you could get a bounce automatically right here. But the way it's looking, I don't even know if it's going to retest right here. It might just continue going up. You just popped above that 14 exponential. So you could quite possibly be setting up for that retest of, let me go to the 4 hour chart, this top over here of 215 in the short term. So it does certainly look like it's setting up for that. Most beautiful thing I think could happen for Solana, and this is what I think will happen for a lot of cryptocurrencies in the market. You'll form this cup and then maybe come back down and form like a little handle before you take off. So hopefully that's something that we're all looking for. Come here shortly within the next couple, I would say 2 weeks. We'll know a lot more about where everything's heading. Let me get back to the chat. Sorry guys, I go on this rambling. Crypto profit. What's up, Jonathan? Jonathan K. Keeping it real all day. So, guys, if you FOMO'd in the Dwac today, don't feel bad. I'm looking to possibly hop on the train too as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do as of right now. I'm gonna wake up pre-market though for sure, and I'm gonna watch it. Dwac, definitely something I want to keep my eye on. You know, catching that FOMO fever over here. I don't know how y'all feel if y'all bought some today and y'all sitting up, but hopefully y'all did. Like I said, I slept today, so I missed a lot of plays today. I missed Ethereum almost busting that all-time high, which was cool to see. Let me pull up the Ethereum chart real quick. That's not it. Give me a second. So really, Ethereum's looking really good right now, and we talked about that. You know, we said if Bitcoin would, you know, stall out, hit that top, come back down, consolidate, hang comfortably within above 60K, then you would start to see Ethereum rocking up, and that's exactly what's going on right here, guys. It's just as soon as Bitcoin stops really pumping, Ethereum will start to play catch up, and then the altcoins will start to move. So if Ethereum has another great day tomorrow, even Solana, if they start really ripping, I think there's possibility, guys, Solana could be a big competitor to Ethereum, even as big as ADA. So I'm like every single day I'm getting more and more bullish on Solana. I think you could, I mean, a couple years ago you could buy Ethereum at $200. So why couldn't you see Solana one day at $4,000? Think about that. So I'm definitely loading up on Solana for the long term, buying the dips on it. I think one day possibly, you know, you'll be seeing Ethereum a lot higher, a lot freaking higher. But there's a possibility, you know, maybe between now and next bull cycle, you could be seeing Solana in the thousands of dollars range, and it's very possible. Clown Baby, let me see what Litecoin did today. Kind of take a peek. Did dip below, did take a little dip today, below 200 bucks, but I would still be holding my Litecoin. Solana going to hit 600 bucks if Bitcoin keeps going. Yeah, I'm super bullish on Solana one shot. Like I said, I saw the technicals at 67. That's why I started telling everybody about it. I didn't expect it to go to 215. I didn't expect it to do what it did, but we're right back to all-time high on it. So we're at a pivotal point right here. We're starting to touch all-time highs on Ethereum and Solana. Lots gonna happen right here to see where we're heading, because look, last time we were hitting all-time highs, we had these levels on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Doge was at 74 cents. So, but to be fair, the last time this happened, we started hitting 60K, and then Ethereum started rolling, and then Dogecoin exploded. So just be patient, guys. I really think the altcoin season, altcoins are gonna really start moving pretty violently here. Dogecoin has one of the best communities in the market. I'm still super bullish on it. HBAR is another good one, dude. One shot saying that HBAR will hit big 2 if Bitcoin keeps going on its run. I fully agree, man. Still a good time to buy Ethereum Classic. Ethereum mining ended in the next couple of months. I think Ethereum Classic going to gain a lot of speed after that. Yeah, man, I'm big on Ethereum Classic. I do like it. It's a solid play. Like I told y'all, I bought it that morning when it ran from like 30 bucks to 190. And that was the most fun I ever had swing trading a crypto in my life, my friends. Most fun. So Dogecoin remains the king of all meme coins and is expected to resume its bull run. So Dogecoin spinoffs failed to beat the meme coin. Analysts expect Doge to recover from a drop of 70% of wallet addresses holding Doge. Doge has a market capitalization of 32.4 billion and ranks in the top 10 cryptocurrencies on CoinGecko. While several Dogecoin spinoffs hit cryptocurrency exchanges, they have failed to dethrone the Doge in the on-chain activity and market cap. But interesting, Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, sold 1.8 million in dog-themed cryptocurrencies the other day. Buterin is on the board of advisors for the Dogecoin Foundation, and the Ethereum creator did not sell Doge or Shiba in his latest activity in decentralized exchanges. So that tells you something right there. Maybe Shiba's here to stay. It's going to stick around and maybe move with Dogecoin. So, I'm still, I like Doge, but Shiba is definitely growing on me because I've just been swing trading it as of late. But though Shiba Inu set to dethrone Doge and is widely popular as the Dogecoin killer, Shiba price recently plunged and the token is struggling to maintain its position in the top 15 cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin holders are waiting for Robinhood to launch the meme coin wallets. Doge proponent and trader TD Doge Whisper believes that the wallet will boost the meme coin's utility, saying that this is huge news. Many don't realize it. Adoption is happening more quickly than anyone imagined. Within a few months, you will be able to spend Dogecoin and they will be on a real chain crypto transaction. Using some of your Dogecoin gives it utility and makes it a true currency. And within the next few months, you'll be able to spend your Dogecoin at these known brands with McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Domino's, Macy's, American Eagle, AMC, Whole Foods. Basically, they're saying any company that would offer Verifone as a transaction, machine for like credit cards or Apple Pays and stuff like that. That's a big thing, man. If they can get that type of adoption, man, Dogecoin would explode on the scene, dude. I'm talking, you looking at $1, $2, $3, if this is to be true and go through. Pay with Doge, much wow, it could definitely happen. And if they can set up a payment system where, using that Verifone machine as a checkout to where you can pay for your Doge, because as of right now, you can on some of the exchanges, if you have their card, you can load up your Doge and spend it like that. But I would much rather have it to where, I can just link my wallet and pay with my Doge. If I go to Burger King and pick up a double stacker, I go to Taco Bell, get the Mexican pizza when they bring it back. Who knows? We'll have to see what happens one day. But very cool, interesting stuff happening in the markets, guys. Dogecoin is definitely heating up, and I still stand by what I'm saying is 4 Doge for $1 is a bang for your buck. Let me see who's super chatting me. One Shot GT. One Shot GT coming in hot with a $5 make you holla super chat. Thank you, my man. Appreciate the love and support, my dude. And this dude's coming in hot with two $5 make you holla super chats. Thank you, One Shot GT. One shot. 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 $5 back-to-back super chats. Appreciate the love, man. Thank you for making that little dude dance on my screen, my friend. Loca, what's happening, man? What do you think about Telecoin? I haven't really looked at it too much, man. Are you into Telecoin? I hear talks about it from time to time. Telecoin, let's see what's going on. It's down 6%. I'd be looking for a bounce right here and possibly ride it back up to 2 cents, but it's currently sitting at 1 cent. All-time high on it, 6 cents. I like it. I might pick up some. It is pretty cheap, man. So, I might throw a little bit at it. I hear people talk about it from time to time, and you know, if it goes up 1 penny, you 100% your money right there. So, definitely will look at it. But Loca, I see you're new to the channel, man. If you could hit that subscribe button for us, Loca, join the community, man. We got a pretty tight little group over here, man. We'd love to have you join the family. If you got any questions, let me know. And AVAX and VR are really good too. Yep, One Shot did talk me into getting some AVAX. Let's see what AVAX did today. I didn't even check out Avalanche price for today, guys. I don't know where it was. 64 bucks. Other day you could have bought it for 55. So up 4.23% on the day. Might see some pullback. We'll see. It could be a little bit of a red weekend, guys. So we're not too. I'm not too confident that we might see some all-time highs again on Bitcoin this weekend. We might see a little bit of a consolidation, but from what the charts are showing me right here, we are looking for a bounce right here off that 50 exponential, which is to me is looking super bullish right now. So Ethereum, briefly, closely getting to that all-time high, 4,377, just shy of the all-time high of 4,385. I was thinking today we might hit it, but we got super close, guys. It's coming. If we continue to pump tomorrow, I mean, it is riding that 14. It is extremely bullish. It is screaming bullish. So, you know, I think that dip today on 4,050 on Ethereum was absolutely beautiful. So, gonna look into it. Cool. Shiba also ranked number 11 per market cap as of today. I didn't see that, man. But it is sitting pretty steady around the 27000 range. So good to see, man. Whisper says Robinhood will list Shiba soon. That will boost the token as well. Yes, and you could possibly play that as a swing trade opportunity, like maybe purchase in. Now, right here wouldn't be a bad price to purchase in. Now, look, you might go red for a second, but Robinhood will eventually list Shiba, and when it does, it's gonna send a pretty good spike in the price, possibly back to the all-time high. So definitely have it on your radar, guys. I've been swing trading it, doing fine. I am a Dogecoin lover. I'm a Dogecoin maxi, I'll tell you. That's just what I do, but I have been swing trading Shiba, and if I can make some pretty good profits off of it, I'm 100% down for it. So Just Bum says I got 15 million sheep. Let's go. Just Bum hopping on the sheep train. That's what's up, man. I keep feeling like I want to dump the Doge, but also feel like it's about to rocket. I do personally think it's about to rocket, man. I personally do. Whisper says I may start accepting Shiba Inu and as a form of payment. This would mean fees and faster transactions. That'd be cool, man. That'd be definitely cool. Vet moving. Jonathan K keeping it real all day. No redeemed Shiba yet. If you guys do want one, I can definitely put you one in here. I'm actually going to work on some stuff right after the stream. So if you guys want a redeem, just drop it in the chat. I'll make it happen for you tonight, my friends. So let me see this. Pull up this article real quick. No, don't play that. I just clicked on a damn ad. Oh well. But shares of Digital World acquisition soar by 400% on news of social media deal with Trump. The company's stock soared on news of the merger that would launch former President Donald Trump's planned social media platform. Trading on the stock of SPAC company Digital World Acquisition Corp was briefly halted Thursday because of volatility after its price skyrocketed on extremely heavy trading volume after news of the merger that it would launch former President Donald Trump's planned social media platform, which is pretty big news for Dwac, guys. Dwac stock surged more than 400% to $51 per share Thursday after trading was halted multiple times due to volatility. But this is what is super important, because tomorrow's Friday. People like to take profits on Friday, so be extremely careful. I'm looking to FOMO in possibly off of a dip just to gain, maybe 30-50%. You can, when you have this type of volatility, you can definitely capitalize on buying the dips. So Dwac was the single most actively traded stock on the Fidelity platform Thursday, and by far the most traded stock on the consolidated tape of New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ listings. Buy orders for Dwac, a so-called special purpose acquisition company set up to raise capital in the public markets to purchase private funds. Firms outnumbered sell orders by nearly 3-1 on Fidelity's platform. So that is absolutely insane, guys. But by afternoon trading, the more than 360 million shares of Dwac had already changed hands, according to FactSet. Its company's SPY and exchange traded fund that tracks the S&P 500 had only traded about 20 million shares about the same time. So definitely volume is there, hype is there. You can't, people aren't buying puts on this thing. You can't buy options yet. It's still a couple weeks out. You have to wait 30 days from when it's listed. So I think you got the green light, but you may have some big buyers in this thing, maybe looking to drop the price. Don't get stuck holding the bag. Set your stop losses. Be very careful. I wouldn't invest. It's very risky buying Dwac at the price it's at. Don't do as I do, but I'm gonna look to FOMO into it tomorrow. See what I can do. See what kind of damage control I can do. It's looking like a pretty good dip opportunity right here, but I want to see maybe if we go back, if it gets a big red candle tomorrow pre-market, to see if we can go back to that 50 exponential and possibly get a bounce. But it could also just automatically take out the gate and bust some all-time highs right here. So be careful, my friends. That's all I'm trying to say. If you're looking to FOMO into it, just be very careful. Redeem ex-wife. Redeem points, redeem coins. I can do a redeem ex-wife. You don't have any coins. I'll hook you up with some, man. Give me 1 second. Let me hook our boy up with some mass markets coins. NEY. Let's see if he'll let me give it to you. Sometimes it don't. Sometimes it wants to be stubborn, my man. It's not even going through. What's up, Noah B? How you doing, man? All right, I put you some coins off of OBS, man. You should have some. Let me see. All right. Let's see where we're at. Sometimes CloudBot acts up, man. OBS has been really lagging on me too as of recent, man. Loyalty. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to work this out. OBS is doing something. Being difficult. I don't know what OBS is doing, man. All right, so guys, if y'all new to the channel, man, please consider hitting the subscribe button for us. And if y'all just showing up, please hit the like button. Really helps with the algorithm, guys. So if y'all just tune in, possibility of me doing some FOMO into Dwac tomorrow. I'm super excited to see what happens. I'm thinking maybe a pullback to almost at 50, and I'll be all in right there, looking to buy a pretty good bit of it, guys. So be on the lookout for that. Also, another one I wouldn't recommend purchasing right now, but Solana we've been talking about for quite some time on this channel, and it is looking beautiful, my friends. This is a 4-hour chart having a really big influx of volume right here, pushing it past this technical breakout level. That's why we talk about these levels of support and resistance so much, because you can see as you get that break above that level of resistance, you can pretty much map out these technical breakout levels. And once you got that break over 178, we absolutely mooned right here, which is looking pretty good. And that's what I'm talking about right here. You got the break, and then boom, you bust through it, you know, consolidate it real quick, ran up, moved back down, but then got another break up. So 200 should be support as of right now, somewhere around 195. But you also have your two levels right here. So I don't think Solana's done. I think we'll be possibly looking at an all-time high on Solana by tomorrow at some point. So add points, yeah, I don't have many points. Litecoin trying to push above the 200 M8 on the 5-minute. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what you're talking about on the Litecoin. Let's throw that AVAX. AVAX rocking, guys. Thank you, One Shot, for throwing that out there, man. Really enjoying my AVAX ride over here, man. I'm gonna ride this thing out to the end of the bull cycle. Litecoin above 200. Yep, getting that bounce off that 14 exponential off the 30-minute. Let's see where we're at. Looking very bullish right there. I like it, man. I like it. I know we're coming down off this little dip we're having today, but it's okay, man. The whole market's pulling back right here. Look at this. That must be a glitch. I don't remember. Oh, no, that is not a glitch. That is Walmart right here. 235. That is the Walmart spike. So you can see how quickly things can move in the cryptocurrency market, but I think we'll possibly be heading back to that 235 range to retest that. RW, what's up? How are you doing? Crypto profit trading has successfully added. Oh, thanks, man. Litecoin Maxi, you already know what it is. Let me throw this back up. I'm doing good, RW, man. I really hope you're doing good. It's all good, man. It's all good, dude. Oh, okay. I did not know that, bro. So you just taught me something here on the live stream, my friend. One Shot saying AVAX coin is gonna rip. Just wait, bro. I'm fully pumped up about AVAX. Fully pumped up about it, man. I'm pumped up about Doge, man. I cannot wait for this thing to rip and rock, because we all know what the Doge community is about. Avalanche coin can leave Ethereum in the dust with its speedy transactions. This is an article I'm pulling up here. Investor Place, stock market news. Avalanche is a fast emerging cryptocurrency and Ethereum competitor that promises to deliver fast transaction speeds. It is an advanced blockchain platform designed to overcome issues with older cryptocurrencies that inhibit their scaling abilities. Recently, AVAX crypto has moved up considerably as the market realized its significance. For example, as recently as July 11th, it was $10.70 per AVAX coin. Saturday, October 16th, it was 57 per coin. So far this year, AVAX is up almost 14 freaking times. Its market capitalization was 12.69 billion as of Saturday, according to CoinMarketCap. making it the 16th largest cryptocurrency on the market. So the Avalanche platform processes 4,500 transactions per second, according to Bitcoin Decrypt. Completes just 7 transactions per second, and Ethereum can only handle 14. AVAX can close a transaction with 3 seconds, whereas Ethereum standard is up to 1 minute. So extremely fast speeds on these transactions for AVAX, which is going to lead it to the moon just for those speeds alone. Like, that is significant. But as a result, the blockchain is suitable for large scale applications. Additionally, Avalanche has much lower transaction fees than Ethereum. I would hope it's so, because Ethereum is absolutely outrageous right now. But this has had a huge effect on the crypto's development by sponsoring organizations. For example, the Avalanche Foundation was able to lead a round of private capital fundraising. According to Crypto Slate magazine, the foundation was able to sell 230 million in AVAX tokens in June. The money will be used to help Avalanche ecosystem grow and develop more uses, as well as decentralized apps, which is going to be huge for it, I believe. Another aspect that makes Avalanche crypto stand out is this ability to work with different blockchain platforms. Decrypt magazine calls it the I don't even know what that word is. That's that 4th grade reading level, man. I don't know what the hell this word is, but this is based on a tripart architecture where it's built on 3 different blockchains: the exchange chain, contract chain, and platform chain. As a result, Avalanche dApps are compatible with Ethereum and other blockchains, even though its ability to close transactions on a faster basis. So overall, guys, where this leaves Avalanche is now moving into a fast-moving world of NFTs. For example, Chicago artist Jason Peterson has developed a mutual NFT depicting formerly known as Kanye West that can be independently verified by Avalanche. Topps, a privately held baseball card collection company, recently developed an NFT for 2021 Major League Baseball using Avalanche blockchain platform. For the guys that didn't know that, the Topps cards all come from that Avalanche blockchain platform. So the Avalanche Foundation is now promoting the development of its blockchain through a new Avalanche Rush program. It provides grants to companies and developers to come up with new dApps and NFTs. This will likely lead to further adoption of AVAX crypto in both the decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT worlds. That would help push the token price even further. Kind of what we've seen with Solana, guys. So definitely something to have on your radar. AVAX token right there. Any coins you recommend to mine? I don't know, man. I'm not too big into mining, dude. I'm personally, I got a bunch of buddies that do it. I just never do it. I can also use remove points. Awesome, dude. I did not know that. Let's see. I'm getting ready to go fishing now. Make sure to post them catches in the Discord, my friend. I love seeing them, man. Y'all guys make me want to go fishing. So, guys, anybody looking to dive headfirst into Dwac tomorrow, be extremely careful. I do think it's going to be a pretty fun ride if you do, man. And that's both ways. So be very careful tomorrow. I know I'm telling everybody I am going to FOMO in, but I'm going to be smart about it. I'm not going to dive in if it's just, if I'm not seeing bounces off of it, which I'm expecting a pretty good move to the downside for a minute tomorrow before it bounces, and I'm looking to catch one of them bounces. So what do I think about CKB? Let's see what you're talking about, man. Nervous Network. It's on a pretty good descending level of support right here off the day. This kind of looks like the rest of crypto, man. Where do you even buy this thing at? Probably on KuCoin. Looks like you can swap it for USDT. It's got pretty good support where you sit at, man. A lot more buy orders coming in than sell orders. So I'd be looking for a possible bounce. Are you in that play or what, man? Let me know. Crypto Profit saying CKB doesn't move enough. Helium with a hotspot router miner. So let me see this real quick. It's on Voyager. So for Litecoin, Clown Baby 215 is looking like a pretty good level. So we're going to go ahead and pop a line right there, my man, for you. 215. And then we possibly have some support around 192. So let's add that to our list right here. I'll go 193 right there. So let's see if we can hold that, get a bounce, and start looking to break that 215. Robert Dean bought CKB 2 days ago. All right, let's check out some Doge. We got to talk about the Doge. That's our favorite, my favorite cryptocurrency over here. Where are we at? Where do we stand right here? Let me pull this up, get this a little bit wider for everybody can see. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the equation. Let me get this taken off. So as we're sitting, we're busting through this resistance at 24.50, which we're sitting on right now. Dip below that, we could possibly see 23.75 again. It's kind of been, you know, probably 24 cents first. We do have support. I don't want to clog up the screen with all that. So just know on the way down, 24 cents. But we're currently waiting on that top right here, 25 to 26 right here. 26.16 was the top of this candle. So a break above 26 to 27. Once we get that break over 27.05, we're off to the races. I think we'll be back to 30 cents pretty quickly. That's currently what I'm waiting for. And yeah, I think we'll be 29, 30 cents once we get that technical break. That is a technical breakout level for Dogecoin right here, 27 cents, guys. So that is what I'm currently waiting for. It's looking like it's trying to set up for a break. We just need to get a little bit more volume stepping in for tomorrow. Bitcoin's starting to turn around right here. Are getting pretty much getting that bounce off that 50 exponential, so looking pretty good right here. Let's check out the 4-hour chart on Doge. See where we're actually sitting at. So 10-9, that golden cross happened. Doesn't look like we're heading back down. That 14 is starting to flat line right here, but that 50 is still working its way up, and we are bouncing off of it. So I like to see some volume. That MACD is starting to flip red, so we might see 24 cents again tonight into the morning, just depending on what crypto does, if Bitcoin really starts moving. But Ethereum was just at 4,125 bucks beginning of the stream. It's already working its way back up to possibly retest that all-time high of 4,385. Came extremely close today, so still very, very bullish on it. Doge is how I ran into your channel, Matt. So you know I hold my 1,200 Dogecoins average back at 19 cents. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, man. Doge was my first ever live stream, guys. So yeah, it holds a special place in my heart. Those nights where we had all those people in here, I was still new to YouTube, man. So there's definitely some fun nights, man, back in them days. But guys, not too much happening. Dwac absolutely crushing it. Bitcoin, you know, holding up there around 63. Dogecoin still pretty stagnant right here, trading sideways. Look for Solana, Ethereum to really pop into tomorrow. Hopefully Litecoin can flip, have a good day, stay above 200, possibly get back to that 215 range. Shiba turning green on the day. New charts will reset here in 8 minutes, so we'll be looking to see what happens then. Maybe get a big pump. Sometimes you do, right when the charts flip. Sometimes you get a big candle to the downside or a big candle to the upside, just depending on sometimes how it happens, man. Let me pull this up real quick. It's a great community, but man, the Dogecoin community is rock solid, man. AMC super tight too. Nothing knocking AMC. I was part of both of them, and by far Doge is my favorite. Litecoin looking great. LTC to 1K. It's gonna happen one day, my friend. I think you'll be seeing Solana at 1K eventually too. We'll just have to wait for it, and you know, keep investing, guys. Just keep on investing. That is the only way you're gonna get there. The crypto market, we are heading for a bear market, guys. Just keep that in mind. But when that bear market hits, and if you follow me for a couple years, we're gonna make some really good tendies off this next bull cycle, which will happen in 4 years. So you catching the rear end right here. And I think things are about to heat up. And I said the other night, I still believe it. This altcoin move right here is going to be the basis of what, when people talk about altcoin season, this is what they're going to be referring to. It's going to be an absolute major move. I got 2 hours ago, technical analysis says there's more upside for Bitcoin after record highs. Don't play the ad, don't play it. Okay. Them ads get me, man. Let me pull this up. FTX CEO says Bitcoin futures ETF is a huge step forward as its cryptocurrency exchange eyes U.S. expansion. So the FTX CEO, Bankman-Fried, told CNBC on Thursday that the decision to allow Bitcoin futures ETF in the U.S. is a huge step forward. The Pro Shares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which trades under the ticker symbol BITO, started trading on the NYSE Tuesday and rose more than 4% in its debut, pushing us to them all-time highs off of Bitcoin. In an interview on Exchange, Bankman-Fried said that the U.S. could soon see more structured products from the cryptocurrency industry popping up and to draw on the regulated platforms, as well as the introduction to new legal framework for cryptocurrencies. Which is probably coming, but I think he's more basing his thoughts on like a Ethereum ETF, a Solana ETF, a Dogecoin ETF, stuff like that. So FTX has also hopes to expand its trading operations to the U.S. where its cryptocurrency exchange is not available. The company has offices in Chicago, Miami, and other U.S. cities, but said the biggest obstacles in operating its cryptocurrency exchange platform in the country are license and registrations. So on Thursday, the company said it raised $420 million from 69 investors in its latest round of funding, with the numbers 420 and 69 serving as reminders that meme culture is still valued in cryptocurrency. So just a bunch of bullish news about a lot of these investors are coming out saying that Bitcoin is not done running. And that's fully what I believe. I still think we'll be seeing 100K Bitcoin this year, guys, and a lot higher Ethereum as well. So things are definitely heating up. AMC made me more profit. I will say that. Yes, KC, without a doubt. It sure did, man. And AMC will always have a special place in my heart. OMG, terrible day for me. Oh, that sucks. Your monitor broke. That sucks. Good to see you in the chat, though. Rick, man, what you got burn on today, man? Let me know in the chat, dude. Yeah, sorry to hear that, OMG. That sucks. Instead of going with a risky growth stock, I started adding a monthly dividend stock, PSEC. I'm going to add to my position every week. See, if you can do that with cryptocurrency during the bear market, man. Like even if it's $40 a week. You do that for 4 years because you do have that spike in between that 4-year period in between the 2-year where it does, pretty much have a pretty good rip. But man, you can add up for between the start of the bear market this year and 4 years from now, dude, you're gonna be sitting so freaking nice, man. I think you can find some pretty cheap monitors at Walmart. They're not too expensive, man. They're not too bad. I bought a couple 4K monitors. I think they were like $150 a pop. Waiting to see what Mr. Rick has to say about what happened today. Look into REIT stocks. Some of you get paid once a month on every month. Oh, it's one of them decently expensive crypto mining stocks. Oh, you're looking for a used one like 20 a pop? Oh. Sometimes you can find them, man. I know some people use their TV, man. I mean, is what it is, man. REIT is real estate. Let me see this. Get to the 1 minute chart on Doge. Some big long doji candles right here. So a break above that level of resistance, that was a technical level right here. 63, got the break. Now we're consolidating, looking pretty good, guys. I'm using a 42-inch TV right now. Don't like it. I got you, man. Crypto Credit, you can actually hook up your monitor, your TV as your monitor if you want to. Just letting you know. So this dude got a 42-inch TV. That's a pretty big monitor. You can sit far back in your living room and chill, man. See the whole chat. So guys, tomorrow we're gonna look to smash some freaking tendies off of Dwac. I hope you guys join in. I'm gonna try to open up pre-market, and we'll rock and roll from there. I gotta drop the kids off to school for 7:30, and then I will be back to live stream the whole day, and we're gonna make some freaking tendies tomorrow, guys. So hopefully we'll catch this pretty good dip on Dwac in the morning, and then ride it out for the rest of the day. So we'll see what happens here. Catch up with these comments. Might have to wait until Christmas. People getting new TVs and selling good ones cheap. Yeah, possibly so, man. We'll see what happens. My streaming rig has a Baller Dell 32 and Dell 24. It needs 1 monitor for that and 2 for this one. I got you, man. I'll be on the lookout for some cheap monitors for you. NKN and PBX and a few S coins got me. Well, Rick, hopefully if you're chilling tomorrow, man, tune in with me. We'll try to swing trade, make some tendies back for you, man. I like ARCC as well, but they pay dividends quarterly. Another BDC, business development company. I'll keep my eye on ARCC. I've been watching that as of recent too, man. I have my 70-inch hooked to a streaming rig for the 3rd monitor. I got you, dude. So guys, tomorrow, hopefully y'all not doing nothing. I'll be here the entire day looking to make some tendies off of Dwac. Make sure y'all tune in for that. And I just wanted to touch base with y'all. I think Solana, Ethereum going to be touching some all-time highs soon. So let's get these tendies tomorrow. I'm going to try to hop on pre-market, posting out for everything. So if you guys got some time tomorrow, y'all not doing shit, tune in, hit the like button, just come chill. I might even, hopefully that works out great for you, man. So guys, once again, much love. Thank you for dropping in, hitting the like button. All the super chats tonight. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. One shot if you're still out here. Thank you, man, for coming out and showing some love. Thank you each and everybody that just showed up, dropped in the chat. Tomorrow we'll be making some tendies, and I can't wait to be here chilling with everybody. So thank you guys. I'll be here all day tomorrow.